Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this payment was cancelled for your protection. If you want to send payment but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your phone setting and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on general, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, and from here click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and after that click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here search for this Cash App. Search for this Cash App, click on Cash App. What you need to do it, update your Cash App. After update your Cash App, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.